That's awesome. All right, so we're going in and out of traffic. Good head check. Good head check. That's as quick as you need it. All right, we're having a little too much fun here. Watch out for in-town stuff. Oh, look, we got pedestrians right here. Anybody know where this is at? Is this in the UK or something? Or because what is this sign? What does that sign indicate? I just want to know before we get into it. It means it will turn green. All right, so we're moving through traffic. We're just having a good time. Okay, so you see how we're just kind of navigating through it. Don't have that mentality, please, because it does scare drivers. It does make them feel a little on edge. And when other drivers are on edge, it's like making a lion or elephant on edge. You don't want to do that. Just kind of navigate, be a courteous rider. What's up, Lexi? How you doing? All right, so we kept switching over. Now, when you do that, it disrupts kind of the natural flow of things when it comes to other drivers. They orient themselves where they're at, and then when they want to make a decision, then they just kind of do it. They base it off of instinct, which is terrible. But when we're navigating and going through this like this, our line of sight is not very good. They can't see us very well. We have multiple problems when it comes to that, especially right here. Okay, we're going to jump multiple lanes to do this. Okay, I get it because there's a bus there, but why are we even in this lane in the first place, right? So we start to have issues when it comes to that kind of stuff. Don't ride like this, please. All right, so you guys were saying, let me go ahead and do something real quick. You guys were saying that this light, there's a light right here. Once it turns yellow, it means it's about to turn green. So this rider's anticipating that it's going to go green. I'm not going to check. The thing says it's going to do it, so I'm just going to do it. That's where you assume, just like in a turn, that the road is clear and you're just going to haul ass around that turn when in fact there's a car stopped or a bunch of rocks and gravel in the middle of the turn that you didn't see. So right here, this person just anticipates the coast will be clear. You already have pedestrians in the intersection. You have multiple right here. I think they actually got off. These ones are going this way. You don't see anybody because of this vehicle right here. So that's all that line of sight that we keep talking about. Having good line of sight is very important. So he's slowing down just a little bit. Hey, Poppy, thank you for the donation. But he sees that it's going to be yellow, which means goes green, correct? So he's getting ready to go. So that's where he's looking. Okay, he doesn't see that there's a pedestrian right there. So what you determine is important to you is what you're going to look at. So if what you determine is, I want to wait until this thing is green so I can gun it, you're staring at that light. You're not looking and scanning and planning your route, positioning yourself to say all that stuff. You're not locating hazards. You're locating things that will make it to where you get to ride fast. Okay? Locate hazards. That needs to be your baseline. You need to look for hazards and then look for these things. But he's not looking for hazards. And there's the pedestrian. But here's the thing. If you're ever in the situation, the pedestrian came out of nowhere, what do? You got to swerve, right? Good swerve. But we keep putting ourselves in close calls. Sooner or later, we're going to have a crash. So minimize as many close calls as you possibly can. And that's through risk management. And the way you can reduce your risk is by having better skill in terms of your fundamental skills or with your situational skills. Smart rider principles, guys. I want to say thank you to RevZilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on RevZilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.